Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to auto-cut silences and pauses in video using CapCut. Now before I begin the video, you should know that this method is only available for the pro version, and for sorry, it is not available for the free version. And now what you should do is to simply search for CapCut. Once you open CapCut, you should click on Create Project right here. And after that, you want to go and click on Import. So I'm going to click on Media on the top left side, then click on Import a video like so, then drag it and put it here in the timeline. And here what you should do is simply select the clip. Then here you have this option, transcript. Click on it. It will do some analysis to your video. It will analyze your video, identify the poses, identify the repeats, identify filler words, identify all the audio data and voice data inside your video. It will take a couple of seconds. Then it will show here this interface. You can go and see here. Click on all. You can select all. You can go to poses. Here you have all the pauses. You can simply click on select all, then click on delete. And as I mentioned, it will be in the pro version only. So you just have to do the same process. Go to poses, select all, then click on delete, and you're all done. It will delete all the poses for you. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.